Hey there, friends! Today, we're diving into the world of celebrity diet plans for muscle building, specifically focusing on Dwayne Johnson Secrets. So let's get started. Dwayne Johnson, also known as The Rock, has shared his go-to diet plan for muscle building. This plan is designed to help you build muscle and maintain a slim waistline. Let's break it down. Starting with breakfast, which typically includes steak, egg whites, oatmeal, and papaya, a high-protein, high-carb meal to kickstart the day. Mid-morning, he has a protein shake, chicken breast, and white rice. This keeps his energy levels high and muscles fueled. Lunch is another round of chicken, white rice, and broccoli. Simple, yet incredibly effective for muscle growth. The afternoon snack, more chicken, rice, and broccoli. Consistency is key. Dinner includes cod, sweet potatoes, and greens. This ensures he gets a variety of nutrients to support his overall health. Another great addition to any fitness regimen is the smoothie diet. It's a convenient and delicious way to pack in nutrients and support your muscle building goals. Smoothies can be tailored to your specific needs. For muscle building, try a smoothie with spinach, banana, almond milk, whey protein, almond butter, and chia seeds. This combination provides essential vitamins, minerals, protein for muscle repair, and healthy fats for overall well-being. Smoothies are quick to prepare, making them perfect for busy days. Incorporating them into your diet can ensure you're getting a balanced intake of nutrients. Remember, building a body like Dwayne Johnson's takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hard work. But with the right approach to your diet and workout, you can make incredible progress. That's it for now. If you found this info helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and celebrity secrets. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay healthy and fit.